Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the 5 best tips and tricks to fix the rapid battery drain problem on iPhone after iOS 26 beta update. If you have noticed faster battery drain on your iPhone after updating to iOS 26 beta, don't worry at all. You are not alone. Beta software often causes system inefficiencies. Thankfully, I have got you covered with some quick fixes. That said, let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to entirely disable the background app refresh on your iPhone. Note that background processes can quickly gobble up a ton of battery on your iPhone unnecessarily. Therefore, make sure to take control of this power-hungry feature. Just head over to the settings app on your iPhone. After that, you have to choose the general option. And then you have to select the background app refresh option. And then you have to choose the off option to entirely disable the background app refresh on your iPhone. Then I will recommend you to disable the location services for all the unnecessary apps or completely disable it because it is also a huge power hungry feature. Just head over to the settings app on your iPhone. After that, choose the privacy and security option. And then you have to choose the location services option. And then you can choose to entirely disable location services or allow only selected apps to access your location data in the background. Then I would suggest you to activate the low power mode on your iPhone. For those unfamiliar, low power mode limits non-essential tasks and bolsters the battery life on your iPhone. And that's the reason why it plays a vital role in extending the battery life on your iPhone. Just open the settings app on your iPhone. After that, you have to choose the battery option. And then you have to turn on the toggle located next to low power mode and you're all set. Next up, I will recommend you to check the battery usage and get rid of all the power hungry apps on your iPhone. Note that some apps misbehave on beta versions and consume a lot of power. Just head over to the settings app on your iPhone. After that, you have to choose the battery option. Then you have to identify and limit the usage of battery-heavy apps, and if needed, make sure to reinstall the problematic apps that are gobbling up a ton of battery. And finally, I would recommend you to update all the apps on your iPhone because I suspect that the outdated versions of the apps are causing the problem and making your iPhone drain battery faster. Just launch the App Store and then you have to tap your profile located at the top right. After that, you can choose to update all the apps at once or get it done one by one depending on your convenience, and that's pretty much it. So these are the 5 best tips and tricks to fix the rapid battery drain problem on iPhone after updating to iOS 26 beta. Hopefully these tips have managed to help you get a better of this annoying problem and now your iPhone is able to last longer between charges. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it and stay tuned for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up with the next one.